Wondering what to do after each use? Let's break it down. First, switch off and unplug the juicer. Next, carefully disassemble all the removable parts. Rinse the parts under running water immediately to prevent residue buildup. Clean the mesh strainer thoroughly using the provided cleaning brush. Dry all components completely before reassembling the unit. Can you wash the motor base with water? No. Avoid using water on the base. Wipe it with a soft, damp cloth only. How should you store the juicer? Make sure all parts are fully dry. And store the unit in a clean, dry place away from children. How can you ensure a long motor life? Follow the recommended usage cycle of up to 30 minutes. Let the motor rest for 30 minutes between sessions. Do not overload the feeding chute with excess ingredients. Clean the parts thoroughly after every use. Ensure you use only suitable ingredients for the best performance. DYLECT, built for you.